Sure.
You go first.
Okay, I'll go first.
Do I just
Anh tin xin tệ lẽ, học được ba.
sit down?
Oh, sit down.
Get yourself.
Anh đi cái.
Get yourself comfortable. Yes. Yes. Get yourself comfortable.
Okay.
You want to
Anh này hi
stand back here.
Maryland trăng này
The
anh có
empties
hay.
are going to come out of here and
Mình
hit
tệ
you.
tệ,
So
phá
stay
mình
back.
tệ phá phá, đen.
I'll do it
Mình
alone.
tệ phá phá yên anh rồi, phá tệ, anh tròn đi chứ. Thanksgiving anh nhá, hay. Shooting now.
No bullets.
Safety à, khăn ông mình yang, safe. Fire là khăn đi đại.
Yeah.
Là hi fire.
Fire, cái đó.
Oh.
There we go.
There you go. No bot.
À, hay hi, ngồi rồi, hay hi. Hay hi. À, thì kan. Thì kan. À, bữa là khai cặp đây, thì nó chứ.
Okay. Voi khát na.
U bò lần voi khăn na.
Voi khát na.
À, em xin đón này hay Silai.
Silai cái cặp ngay mía là mà. Let's see.
Iya som ni banga cặp đón này.
Still no shooting?
Yeah.
That was loud.
That was loud.
Okay, load this back up in there. Put your safety on. Okay, put your clip in. Put a shell in. Safety. And then fire.
Ngồi rồi, à lúc không mặc ha. Ít,
Safety.
Yeah, I did safety.
Fire,
Put the safety on it.
fire.
All right, it's on fire.
Anh nói mi khăn rồi,
Go ahead. Shoot 5 times. Okay. Put your gun on safe. Set it down. We'll go check.
What's man?
Sapa lo, oma hay sapa azirtir.
Look.
Look at that here.
Now, I would not adjust anything.
Okay.
This is you.
Really?
That's you.
Oh,
Okay?
that was a sender here. The first one, maybe.
Well,
I don't
you
know.
don't know.
I don't know.
Now,
What you need?
啊拉开湖那里么？
Nè, hi. À lâu phụ chiên cuồng khóc mày lại
Ê, thêm thêm lên thì khai voi khát cả na chân.
hi. À center point sẽ là lâu nãy về đâu thôi nè. Hey, cho chiên thế mày à tao.
Chiang khóc mấy khát khát chú à lai tắc tắc cái này mo.
À phát rap tag em voi khát na. Ê khá.
Cái dòng chăng viêu đủ lâu mo. Dòng chăng, dòng chăng chi nè.
Hey, hey, anh ra mọi.
Iya som ni banga.
Yes, some ni pang.
À bia som nga ta, à la bia so za.
Anh mà. Wow. Hey Steve, so how far can that gun go? Up to 100 years, 20 years? I mean,
600-700 yards
oh.
with accuracy. Now, that comes with you shooting it.
Uh-huh.
Okay. What we do now is we mark these.
Mm-hmm.
This was your first 5.
Mm-hmm. That's been done.
Okay. What you want is to shoot groups closer together.
Mm-hmm.
That's you. That's not the gun.
Mm.
So you have to slow down your breathing. Earplugs. You're anticipating the noise. You're anticipating the boom. This is not bad for 25 yards.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Try to get your groups small.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
You're in a 50-cent piece, you got 3 inside the circle.
Mm-hmm.
These 2, that was you.
We all got you.
Okay?
Okay.
You have
To concentrate.
the secret, you don't adjust anything. You want to do the same thing every time.
Got you.
Once you're getting a group, then you adjust. If you adjust, okay, I hit the bullseye here, but I missed it here, you adjust this, you're all constantly adjusting.
Got you.
You must learn to shoot. That's not bad for the first 5. Now, try it again. Now, after the next 5, mark them a different way. That way you can keep track of where you're hitting and how you're hitting.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? It's much easier to center your rifle with a cross than a circle. Because you can't divide that completely.
Correct.
But with a cross, you put your crosshairs on that cross. It makes it easier.
I appreciate that.
You see my
Yeah,
target
I saw
with a
that.
cross.
Saw that.
I was trained in the Marine Corps how to do this.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow. We are lucky today that we have Steve here.
No.
You know, we appreciate
You
it.
know what? United States Marine Corps stands for?
Well, actually, you know what, my son?
Uncle Sam's misguided child.
No, actually, my son.
Yeah.
He's in deep breath. That's a BB.
Yeah, and let half of it out slowly. Just
Jeremia gonna cut body.
and as you're letting it out, you
Mantefa pa.
squeeze at the same time.
You listening? No, you start here. You come here. Aim for the Uncle Steve made thing. Bring the other thing. Bring that thing. Pick up then, tutto.
Che su capto.
When I'm from Maryland.
Yeah, that's actually can work here.
My wife's son lives in Harper's Ferry. 10 minutes from Harper's Ferry. Yeah. West Virginia, Maryland. I mean, it's
Yeah,
real.
I've been there once. I mean, not once, 2 times. Actually, my girlfriend.
Akala umi.
Don't shoot yet. Not yet. Wait. I know where you shoot it. Look, hey, come and shoot it. See where you shoot it. I saw it.
Ika na kagan enang oh. Hela hi ka na ni hei mo.
Okay.
Hei u bola ka to zhe kan chin chia.
Baka chuk.
我靠，这块老虎你啷看
？Let's go.
还来第一呢，一虎的怎么？
There we go. Okay.
What the heck? I saw where that hit.
Yeah.
That's so up.
So up. That's alright. We have a lot of
啊，中林的我们蹲下噶啦。
So to aim it down a little bit, okay?
哎，真动啲嚟咩？
Yourself.
Me?
Yes.
I've never done this. What are you doing?
No, I'm not trying to.
Why? Oh, there's nothing to do.
Okay. Go, baby. His first time ever. A real shoot gun. A real gun. I mean, actually, this is not a real gun, but this is air gun. First. And after. No, two more.
Ah? Vâng nga gặp tổ lồng.
Yeah, but two more.
Xung lại so là bộ gặp tổ lồng.
Vậy ngã sẽ tiêu rồi chứ.
Oh, wait, around group back and more. And two more. After that, two more, and then you shoot the real gun.
No,
Why not?
it's too loud.
One more. This is fun, and plus, nice weather. When he quite unwarm, come here. Ooh. Center.
Holy that bro.
是嚟特特做 ring 呢度個浪，哦，邊緣活流出冇。
Ganti betok me chen. Dia plug na nanti lagi dia ceroin kan.
Nè.
Next saat soon kan tiam tong. Sorry. One more. Get ready. Uncle Steve, come on. Get it go. Okay. Shoot it there.
夾咗咧，夾咗哦，啲夾。
Got the
誒，依夾做麼？
This is good, nice scope.
可能快夾về đó麼？
Oh yeah. No.
夾啲就噴遮咪。
I just check it.
It needs to go to the left,
To the left. Yep.
but otherwise the rest of that.
夾về先啦，啲
No,
啦。
this is too loud for me. Too loud for me.
oh that's some
All right,
This
so
is a real. I don't know what is this gun called.
it's a 6.5.
That's way behind the kid.
揾出我咪啲咧多你麼？
No,
好就bắt出。